Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your work schedule in ClickUp. To do that, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and you want to click on settings from here. Now on the left hand side, you'll find work schedule. You click on that and here you can see that you can set your own custom schedule, the days you work. So if your person just work few days per week, you can select the few days that you work, or if you work every single day like myself, you can go ahead and you can basically add those dates. So you can go ahead and set it. You can even set the custom timing that you want. So if you work, let's say from 8 in the morning till let's say 4:30 or 5, you can go ahead and really set those in your ClickUp account. So that's how you can go ahead and set up your time. And if you want to add, for example, some custom hours here, you can go ahead and you can just do that. But you need to have at least Business Plus for you to unlock the advanced work schedule. So keep that in mind. Once you do that, you can go ahead and use the advanced work schedule within your ClickUp account. And you can also go ahead and customize, for example, set public holidays and some days off if you want to. You can click on that. But again, you need to have the Business Plus. So that's pretty much how you can do it, guys. But if you want to stick to the basics, you can go ahead and set the days that you wish and then go ahead and click and save. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.